What is up, y'all? Hope you are all having an amazing day. Today we are here at Las Quince Salsas. It's a restaurant from Oaxaca, and I don't know if you guys joined my live, but I've been mentioning that I want to eat chapulines, guys. We got the chapulines. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Check that out. And I also got an agua de melon, guys. So, yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. We got the tortillas. Look at these tortillas, guys. Nice yellow corn tortillas. We're gonna put some guac. Can't forget the guac, y'all. You cannot forget the guac. We're gonna put some beans. These are black beans. Let me see. Let me taste them. Those are flavorful. I love them. I love them. They got the perfect saltiness to them.
And they have like a really
Yes, they do. I'm here with Yaneline, guys. We finally did a collab, y'all. So yes, guys. Let's get it. I think I put too much guac in here. Okay. I'm gonna pack it with chapulines. And I got a chili right here too. Let's see, y'all. Can't forget the lime, Can't forget the lime. Wait. I'm gonna eat a grasshopper just like that.
by itself first.
Yes. You gotta get that natural taste, guys. Look at that grasshopper. I don't know. I feel like they already have lime on them.
Like it doesn't need extra lime.
That's freaking good, yo. That's mine. Let it take the fun. Let's see, I'm gonna try this sometime. Bro, that was bomb. That was so good.
And also like a salty, right?
The chapulines, they're like salty. They're like they have lemon and salted. Bro, that's bomb. That is so good. What do you rate them?
I don't know. I feel like
Honestly,
like this like botana, like a 9 out of 10.
that's exactly what I was thinking. Honestly, I would rate it higher. The only thing is just the tortilla. Like, I feel like the tortilla could be a lot better. But a 9 out of 10 on the chapulines, guys. That is freaking good, yo. The beans are amazing. The service is amazing here too, guys. So, Las Quince Salsas, if you guys ever want to try them out, come try them out, guys. It's a really good restaurant. Alright, now let's try that one. Just look at this. Look at this agua de melon, guys. I swear, I haven't had a bad experience with drinks lately at all, actually. Amazing, guys. It's not even sweet at all. It's just perfect. This is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I always rate my drinks 10 out of 10 if they're good. Thank you guys so much. Thank you all for all the love and the support. And I'll see you guys on the next review. Thank you guys.